Hello and welcome to another short drawing lesson. This week we're going to draw the Travis Pastrana Brataroo, the latest Hoonigan car. First thing we'll do is a front wheel over here. Next, however big that wheel is, make another one about 2 and a tiny bit wheels further back. Next we need the bottom of the car, which is a sloping line, a straight sloping line that goes fairly close down here, so a bit lower at the front than the back. And then we need another line parallel to that one that's just a bit above the centre of the line there. That can actually extend out behind and in front of your car. That would be useful because we'll use that to work out the overhangs. At the front we need a half a wheel, so you can do a diagonally sloping back line there, and that will be your front bumper. Beneath that we've got an air dam kind of thing with another black piece of trim down the bottom. At the back you need about 3/4 of a wheel, something like that. And again a bit of an overhanging sloping back edge, and it's black as well. And underneath there we've got a big diffuser kind of thing, and again that's all dark under there, so that's pretty much black. Next we've got some lights to put at the front, and they overhang like the bumper does. And above there we've got a curving line that curves over that front wheel. We need to put our door in now, so at the back here we need to come forward about half a wheel and do a curving vertical line. At the front we need to be about 1/3 of a wheel away from the front wheel, and another curving vertical line at the bottom edge. And the top edge is parallel to these lines that we've been doing. And then at the back we've got another curve, and then it runs parallel and ends with a kind of curving overhanging line, a bit like that maybe. Now we can put our window in, so the A-pillar is about 45 degrees, something like that. And then we've got the top, which is parallel to these again. This line here coming off the top of the door shut line there leans a tiny bit, and then there's a bit of trim which looks to continue the window, but it's just plastic, I think, or carbon fibre or something. The roof continues beyond that point slightly, and then that's where you've got this slope that comes down, hopefully ending somewhere near the centre of your back wheel. About on that, if you come to the centre of your back wheel up to there, that's about where that slope wants to come to. You could give your front windscreen a tiny bit of thickness, but it's pretty flat, I think. And last of all, there's a big feature, which is this giant spoiler wing thing on the back. He didn't fit it in. So it doesn't look beautiful at the moment, but that's the basic proportions. Now we'll try and make it look interesting and nice, and we can press a bit harder. We'll show the wheels on the far side of the car, the shadow on the ground. Anything under the car can be nice and dark. There's a bit more shadow down there. You could make the shadow a little bit uneven, as if it's on dusty, rocky ground. Maybe even draw a couple of bits of stuff on the ground. For details, we've got things like some little bits of trim here behind the headlights. We've got some kind of curving black plastic carbon shapes in front of the wheels, and behind there's a sort of fin thing as well sticking out. This back edge of the door is also where there's a big step outwards, so again you can do that a bit darker. And then all of this down here needs to be black, and again we've got these kind of fin shapes in front of the wheels. A door handle, that'd be useful. And above the front wheel we've got these 4 flaps, sort of aero devices, and the little openings that they come out of. And the window, we've got a wing mirror, and we'd be able to see up inside the roof area, so that'd be a bit darker. Same with the pillar on the far side of the car, the seat, maybe a steering wheel. And in the window there's a sliding window opening thing. That piece of panel there is dark. And then behind there is a big sticker. That's the one that says Brat. I'm not going to draw all the letters. I'm just going to kind of suggest that there's something there. On the roof we've got some roof bars which have some jolly spotlights and an aerial. This wing on the back needs to be repeated on the far side. And then a couple of struts. And again, the whole thing's black, so we'll colour that in. For stickers, you could use a thinner pen or just draw more lightly. I'm not going to try and do all the lettering because that would just be too much detail. So I'm just going to very lightly put boxes in where they belong. And last of all, we need some detail on these wheels. So I'll show you where the rim is. And they're just crosses, which is quite nice and easy, which you can colour these bits in. Tempted just to add a bit of shading to the actual tyre area, just to knock those back a bit from the white of the wheel. Same on the back. And I think we'll just add a little bit of a few scuffs and marks just to show that it's been used. And I think that's pretty much it. Let me know how you got on in the comments. Hopefully it wasn't too difficult. That one's quite a lot of straight lines and things. And let me know if there's a car you'd like me to try in the future. I've got quite a long list by now and I'm trying to work my way through them all, but hopefully I'll get there one day. Otherwise, like and subscribe. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you for another film soon.